What's up guys, John from JohnMcNeil.com here, and I'm currently on the treadmill pretending like I'm going 5 miles per hour, but I'm really only going about 1.5. And I really just popped out here. I'm supposed to be trying to get some exercise, and I wanted to pop out and just let you guys know that we're ending 2018 and we're about to start a new year. 2019 is upon us, and a lot of you guys that are watching this video right now probably have some financial goals that you want to hit this coming year. Now, a lot of you guys that are watching this video right now are probably frustrated, right? You're probably feeling like you spent the whole year or years on a treadmill, just walking or running, but not really moving forward in your affiliate marketing business. Now, in this next video, in the next couple of days, I'm going to be creating a video for you guys, and I'm going to be talking about what you can actually do to start generating a significant amount of money in your affiliate marketing business, right? So what we're going to really be discussing is how you can make more sales and how you don't have to, spend thousands of dollars to get to the point where you can start generating a six-figure income online. So again, my point of creating the content is to just get you to move forward, so in this next coming year, I want to take as many of you guys that want to follow me and that want to go with me on this journey off the treadmill. You need to get off the treadmill, because the treadmill is just keeping you stuck and it's keeping you in place, and all you're doing is exhausting yourself. You're spinning your wheels and you're spending your hard-earned money and you're not seeing any results. So if you want to see more sales, if you don't want to have to spend thousands upon thousands of dollars to get started and spend thousands of dollars on ads that don't work, you want to watch out for this next video that I'll be launching probably in the next 3 to 4 days. It's going to be the blueprint for 2019 to taking yourself to the next level in this next year, where you can actually start profiting online and making a significant amount of money. All right, so you can clearly tell that I'm a little bit winded. I have not exercised in a long time. In full transparency, guys, I never use this treadmill. I'm just faking it for the video. So just so you guys know, completely, that needs to be my New Year's resolution. I need to be on this treadmill at least once a day in 2019. So you guys try to hold me to that. So that's all I have for this video. So you guys look out for that next video that's going to be coming out in the next 3 days or so. Have a Merry Christmas if you guys don't hear from me. Christmas is like 2 days away. So spend that time with your friends and family and enjoy it. And I will see you guys in a few days, and we're going to be pushing out the blueprint for 2019 to earning 6 figures with your affiliate marketing business. All right, guys, I'm out of here. Let me get off this thing. Peace. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notifications, because you don't want to miss this next video. All right, so we'll see you in the next video, guys. Hey, where's the big gay at?